How to share your NGL link on Facebook Story. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your NGL link on your Facebook Story. If you're not familiar, NGL stands for Not Gonna Lie, and it's a fun app that lets you receive anonymous messages from your friends. Let's get right into it. First, open up the NGL app. Once you're inside, tap on the Copy Link button. You'll get a little confirmation that your link has been copied successfully. From there, just tap Next Step a few times until you reach the final screen with the Share option. Now go ahead and tap Share. This will take you straight to the Instagram Story creation screen, and your NGL link will be automatically added to the story. You can drag the link around and place it wherever you want on the screen. Add some text or stickers if you like. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the arrow icon in the bottom right corner, then tap Share to post it to your story. Now here's the cool part. If your Instagram account is connected to Facebook, you'll also see the option to share it directly to your Facebook story at the same time. Just make sure the Facebook toggle is turned on, then hit Share again. If you don't see the Facebook option, don't worry. Just go to your Instagram settings, find Account Center, and make sure your Facebook is linked. And that's how you can share your NGL link on Facebook Story. Now your friends on both platforms can send you anonymous messages. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.